Okay, this is question 7. Question 7 asks me to write down the number 8 million in figures. Now, we know that 8 million clearly begins with an 8. Millions have got 6 zeros afterwards. 6 zeros. The next question asks me to write 7,102 in words. I know it's thousands, 102. I'm not going to write that in now. Write the number 16.46 correct to one decimal place. This means I need to look at the number not just after the decimal, but the second number after the decimal point. The 6 is big enough to round the 4 up, so it will round up to 15.5. If that 6 was less than 5, I would keep it as 15.4. The next question asks me to round something to so many significant figures. Write the number 421 correct to 2 significant figures. All of these numbers are significant, so I count the first and the second one, and the third digit is not big enough to round the second one up. So it stays as 420. Notice I need to replace the 1 with a 0, otherwise I would have 42, and clearly 42 is not 421 rounded in any shape or form. Question 8 asks us to round something to the nearest 100. So I need to identify where the hundreds column is. This is units, tens and hundreds. This is 600. So is it closer to 5,600 or 5,700? And the way that we tell this to look at the 4. The 4 is the next digit along. It's not big enough, so it stays as 5,600. This one has been asked to round to the nearest 1,000, so I need to identify the thousands column. This is 7,000 here. So it's either going to stay as 7,000 or it's going to round to 8,000. That number is the one that we need to look at, that digit. So the 7 does round this up to an 8, so it goes to 198, and we have to replace those digits with zeros, so it's 198,000.